Good evening. This is Dr. Deepak Waikar. I'm very happy to share uh, one of my presentation on knowledge, skill, ability trilemma in the midst of pandemic and the beyond. I call it Kyan Kaushalya Guna Yagya. This is Dr. Deepak Waikar, currently Managing Director for EduEnergy Singapore, Chair-elect for IEEE Education Society Singapore chapter. This is my email address and WhatsApp number. You are most welcome to contact me. Agenda for today is introduction, followed by knowledge, skill, grit, and how to infuse ability in knowledge and skill grit, future possibilities, summary, and conclusions. We know that global impact of COVID-19, the terms which have come like coronomics, corona education, is because of the COVID-19, the massive disruption to the traditional education system. We had to very quickly grapple with the situation and resort to online and or remote teaching. And the terms such as remote facer or remote chair has evolved within no time. If you have got good support, remote chair or remote facer with somebody who is still thinking about it, how to take care of it. And he is not giving up, remote facer. However, if you come from the eminent educational institutions, colleges or universities, you have got digital infrastructure at your disposal, such as high definition camera, there is assistant, lots of laptops and screens, and you are delivering to empty classes as if going to deliver to your students, remote facer or remote chair of the future. Okay, this is what we are looking for, investment in digital infrastructure. Currently, I had to do myself. What is your feeling about the term education 4.0? You heard about industry 4.0. So let us talk about education 4.0. What is it? Yes, are we stranded? What happened because of the COVID? Confused or merry-go-round, doing same thing? That is what happened. Industry is telling us you are going merry-go-round, and as a result, the students which are coming out of universities, colleges are not that useful to industry, or are we entangled to do so many things that we have lost the direction. That is what we are at the crossroads. What we should do then? Okay, we need a knowledge, skill, grade to overcome one of these challenges. X-axis is knowledge, y-axis is skill, not new one. There are 4 quadrants: green, yellow, blue, and brown quadrant. Very soon I will tell you what are those. Okay. Now, according to national education policy, all of us amateur quadrant, we come here, okay, amateur quadrant, green quadrant. In this green quadrant, very low knowledge, very low skill, and therefore they are coming for learning here, and we get knowledge and to some extent some skills used from the knower or our professor or teacher or lecturer. They impart knowledge. For what purpose? To take us eligible to become work in industry, do something. It could be working or it could be starting of your own. That is what has been now proposed. Then what, as for national education policy, you see, now once you come to the university or college, you stay for 1 year and then you get a certificate. They are trying to integrate ITI into university education. After 1 year, take a certificate. You feel there is appropriate, do something. You go and do in the world the work or do something of your own. Or then if you stay for 2 years, study well, complete some programs, you get a diploma after 2 years. After that, if you wish, you can go to again world, like industry, or do whatever you like it of your own. If you stay for longer period, you get a degree in 3 to 4 years, whatever, depending on the period decided by the university college. After that, you go and get there. Okay. Now, next question comes is, what we should do after this. Okay, yes, if you are still not happy with this one, we can use a PG diploma and again get knowledge and skills about it. And like this one, they are saying now you can have internship, you can have skill certification, you got PG degree, you got executive MBA using skills of the industry and the knowledge of the experts. Okay, and we become professional one. And even you can go for PhD skill certification, as I mentioned earlier, and keep on enhancing our knowledge and skills. And finally, we achieve the mastery. So we are 4 quadrant: amateur, knower, doer, and master. Okay, and some of them say, hey, is this there? No, there is still possible. Conferences, delayed, a DSC program can be added. And this is what the National Education Policy Knowledge Skill Grid is promoting it. This is what we are getting it. This is what we have to move for. Okay. The question arises, is this something entirely new? I know the National Education Policy, they got the advice from various quarters, including Europe, America, and other places, and India. What we can know by this time now, that whatever that has been used is available to the Indians as per the ancient Indians philosophy. We used to call brahmacharya, where we learn, and you can see all over the world there is a bachelor's degree, bachelor of science, bachelor of engineering, bachelor of commerce, arts, whatever you name it, learning, the knower, jnani, where we, okay, and then the industry we do doer, take action, karma, brahmacharya, jnani, karma, and then you achieve guru status. For that to happen, we need a third dimension. They say, okay, yes, you got knowledge, skill, grade, you have to add third dimension with a guna, ability, guna, ability. What are those guna? I think it has been again said in Bhagavad Gita, we have got 3 gunas. Okay, tamasic, rajasic, sattvic. 3 of them, we have the different proportion. Depending on our nature, we have that proportion, and based on that proportion of the guna, we can aspire to rise to various levels. From here, then we can go here, or then ultimately with our tapasya and work, we can achieve the mastery, guru. Okay? Guru level. That is what is now knowledge, skill, ability, grid. We have to think about it. Gurukul Siddhanta, master disciple doctrine, we are going to use it there. Okay. So if that is the case, what we are going to do about it? Okay. Next is now, what is education 5.0? That is another thing coming. As for IEEE, we are working on our education 5.0. Okay. Because industry 4.0 said that yes, they have moved very fast and our university graduates are not ready. They say, okay, we have got smart devices, we have got 5G, AI, AR, VR, analytics. And now our colleges and universities are grappling to put this one everywhere. We are just following industry 4.0. We lost the leadership. If you want to gain the leadership, we have to think differently. As a result, if you use this one, they say we are going to create robo-facer or robo-chair, where the robo has got all the knowledge, and then the robo will transfer this to knowledge to learnobots. Learnobots will have also various gadgets. Okay, various gadgets. Learnobots will be the one who will be learning from robo-facer. This is coming, already is happening, okay, almost happening. And that is why some of them say, hey, I'm not learning anything in the schools and colleges, let me learn myself. This is what exactly is. Then question will arise is, what will be the role of the professor's teacher in education 5.0 when robo-facer is going to do the teaching part and transferring the knowledge to learnobots. The learnobots will be learning from robo-facer. What is it we'll do? Well, one of the possible ways, maybe we have some knowledge, we transfer domain knowledge to RoboFacer, interact with that one, and then also try to pass on that knowledge to learnobots. So predominantly, the major part of the learning might be taking place through RoboFacer or Logochair. We are the one who can decide what they would do. Our role with a special knowledge and domain knowledge will be edu-charmer. Edu-charmer role is the one we are going to now think about it. Edu-charmer. I know some of you might say uh, you don't like this because this is going to be a very challenging task. How? Because knowledge transfer is not going to be easy. Industry has already told us that you are behind. No, we can give gadgets to our edu-charmer, latest gadgets, AR, VR, LMS, whatever you need it, smart devices, so that our edu-charmer can become more of influencer to robofacer and learnobots. More gadgets can be given, IoTs, so that the knowledge transfer can happen at a faster rate, analytics to know what is happening and take action again. So this cycle is going to continue like this one. Many of us say that, yes, it's good, you can transfer that knowledge online, but what about our practicals? What about the scientific work, research they do it? Well, that is why the virtual labs have come. We heard about it, virtual labs, and now how we can integrate virtual labs to our new model of RoboFacer, LearnoBots, and EduCharmer. Well, this is how we can do that one. Okay, we have got virtual labs here. Okay, virtual labs. Now we, the EduCharmers, have got all the gadgets, analytics, and based on that LMS system, through our RoboFacer, we can transfer the knowledge, and RoboFacer can program these virtual labs, and LearnoBots can do the experiments over here. And you name it, we have everything. We have got IoT, we have got cloud, we have got 5G, we have got big data, we have got spatial knowledge, okay, cyber security, everything, all those Industry 4.0 technologies we can infuse and make it happen. This is the future model of education 5.0. EduCharmer coming. I'm coming soon, okay? This is coming soon. That is the vision we at the EduEnergy are proposing. And if we use this vision and try to transform ourselves, our education system can become 5.0. We could regain our leadership. And then industry will not have to tell us that what your graduates are doing. Another phenomena we have seen is that earlier the students used to come from homes and colleges and used to go to university, which due to pandemic has stopped now. This was the old model. And still we are hoping that after vaccination, we are waiting for when the college and school open, and then we can start doing this one, because there is a lot of investment already gone over here. And these are stranded assets. Now these are lying idle, okay? Hardly anybody there, only except we have to go there and keep social distance. Future, which has happened now, is now colleges and universities are going to homes and communities, and we are getting now chance. So from home to colleges, university, to colleges, universities, going to homes and communities. And for what is the purpose? For transferring the knowledge, and so that the students can learn. Not only that, we are getting chance to also educate community, whole family. We get chance to educate community and whole family due to this one. That is what the education 5.0 is happening now, happening because of this one. Another thing is, as for national education policy, we want that foreign top 100 universities to come to India to invest and start campuses, so that the education standard of India can go higher and we can get a better ranking. Well, because of the COVID, everything is at standstill. The assets are stranded. Some of them may not have that much money now left. So what they can do? Now they don't have to come physically to homes and communities in India or anywhere place. Okay, top universities can go to any home and any communities through the virtual mode. That is what we are doing now. I think what I'm coming now and delivering this one. And what they can do is now collaborate with the local good institutions and universities to take care of the other aspects of the education, such as practical and examination and administration, so that major part is done through wherever we are. So from Singapore, we can just come over there and deliver it, collaborate with one of the college or institute and deliver that program. This is what the future coming now. Okay, is there scope for hope, or is it just a pipe dream? Put in chat box, scope for hope or pipe dream. Well, at EduEnergy Singapore, we offer consultancy courses and workshops in sustainable energy development, innovative project design and management, rethinking teaching, learning, and academic literacy, and most important, transforming education. And one of them I shared with you is the thought process. We write a lot of concept papers, concept ideas, and we share with those who are interested, and we help you to design, develop, and implement it. You can contact me at this one. Those who want to interact with me more, you can join me at the LinkedIn. I put some of my thoughts and views over there also. So what I discussed with you, yes, remote has come. What we have to invest in? Digital infrastructure. No more investment in big buildings and brick and mortars. Now we have to do more on digital infrastructure, such that we can deliver quality education material through whom? Through knowledge, skill, grade. Whatever has been presented in the National Education Policy Industry 4.0, we can model it as a educator. We can map it into this knowledge, skill, grade. Okay, and achieve whichever quadrant they want to go. Industry 4.0 has those new gadgets and devices. We can quickly use them and make a better model. We the professors, we the teachers, we the educators become edu charmers and become the designer and become the influencer to robofacer, robocher who can transfer the knowledge to learnobots using the whatever the technology available at that time, whether it is a machine learning, deep learning, AI, whatever you mention about it, virtual lab can be now incorporated into this system, and we can see what is happening quickly and adjust in real time dynamically and produce something which is required for the 21st century. Universities, colleges, and institutions will be now coming to home to impart the knowledge and whatever skills needed, majority of the time through virtually, and only for a small percentage of time through the campus. As a result, the investment in those dead assets will be reduced. And to take it to the highest possible level, we have to take the help of Bhagavad Gita, wherein Lord Sri Krishna has said that we have got three guna, tamasic, rajasic, and sattvic. We have to use that one with the knowledge, skill, grade, to make it knowledge, skill, ability, grade, jnana, kaushalya, guna, charchar. And if this we can do it, our gurus can become Raj Sattvic type, then impart the knowledge to Gyani and doers, and then we can bring in our students to the higher and higher level. The whole society will have better knowledge. This is what required for the 21st century. Wisdom of the past and the courage of the today to go for the future. Technology of the today and go for the future. This is not a new thing. The visionaries like Bharat Ratna, Dr. Radhakrishnan has said, done it this one, and it has changed the direction. And visionaries like Bharat Ratna Sir M. Vishwesarya changed completely, transformed the education. And the Bharat Ratna Abdul Kalam ji has transformed the education system. Now we have come to go transform that further. So wish you knowledge, skills, ability driven, smart and edu-charming future. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to share with you. This is Dr. Deepak Waikar from Singapore, sharing with you about knowledge, skills, ability trilemma in the midst of pandemic and beyond. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day ahead.